You may have seen instructions online for hard resetting an iPhone 17 or iPhone Air, showing steps like pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. But as of October 2025, these devices don't actually exist. Apple's current flagship models are the iPhone 16 series. This guide is likely speculative or even AI-generated misinformation. While the button sequence mirrors that of iPhone 14, iPhone 15, and iPhone 16 models, applying it to a non-existent device is misleading. Always verify tech tips with official sources like Apple's support website before trying them. If your iPhone 8 or later is frozen or unresponsive, use this standard force restart method. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Second, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This triggers a hardware restart without erasing data. Remember, hard reset methods are model specific. Older iPhones have different combinations. Always check Apple's official support.